Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now I'm going to draw Jeanne the arcAlter from FGO, requested by Keronime Jr. So let's watch this one together, guys. Let's go. Okay, this is done during the live stream. I really cannot draw while chatting. Well, I'm sorry about the head, but well, even though I draw really quick during the live stream, but I did a lot of changes because the proportion is not right, and especially the head. The head is very difficult to draw. I keep on changing the head. In the end, the head is just simply too big, and yeah, as we can see after adding the hair, you can see the body proportion. The head is way too big. It's like the head is taking the whole part of the body size. So okay, from reference image, the skirt and the cape is actually being burned, but in this video I just make everything smooth, and this is done during outside the live stream, and finally I can make things more detailed and being more patient also. As we can see here, the sword is much more detailed, and the left hand is more detailed and more proportionate. And again, fixing up the head, the face, the head, the face, I keep on always changing that because it's very hard to do. It's just that the proportion is not right. Okay, just beginning to color. In this coloring process, I use purple, pink, chocolate, brown, and black, and also 7B pencil, and also eraser. So it's not one color, it's a mixture of color. That's why it can create an effect of a chameleon. Looking from one side, it has one color. Looking from another side, it has another color. And also there's no exact color that is matching the poster. That's why I have to mix them. And yeah, hopefully you like the way I color things, and also the cloth that actually hanging onto the boobs. I actually have to take photo of some reference on how the cloth fall onto a round object. And finally I reduce the size of the head, and the head is just killing me. It's just always not right. Well, yeah, going to the skirt now. Skirt is actually, I use a lot of cutter and pencil to just use tissue to spread out the color evenly, because it's a very huge space. If you use pencil, then the hand will be very painful. Well, I did use this pencil on the cape, but okay, especially the sword, the rune on the sword. It's just that my color pencil is not vibrant enough. Maybe next time I use a better color pencil, then the rune will glow. Okay, fixing up the face. In the end, I just realized that it's wrong the way I placed the eyes way too high, and then I lower it down. It looks much better. And also the flag. Yeah, the drawing is done. What do you guys think? You can leave any kind of comment below, and also any kind of advices, opinions. I really love the armor. Well, it's my drawing. I couldn't do better because I'm using Faber Castell classic color pencil. I'm not sure if I will improve in the next drawing. Hopefully I can improve. Well, this is the maximum I can do. I spent like more than 30 hours on this. It's very tiring. Well, I'm real happy with the result. I'm so in love with the artwork. So if you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Also, please do not forget to like the video. And also, if you guys have any kind of anime characters that you would like me to draw, also please put in comment section below. So thank you very much, and see you guys next time.